Best survival foods to store without refrigeration. In emergency situations, having foods that don't need refrigeration is essential. The right survival foods provide energy, nutrients, and longevity, ensuring you stay nourished when fresh supplies are unavailable. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 survival foods to store without refrigeration. 1. Grains and legumes. Rice, oats, quinoa, beans, and lentils are long-lasting staples. They are versatile, easy to store, and provide essential protein and calories. 2. Canned and jarred goods. Canned vegetables, fruits, meats, and fish can last for years. They are nutrient-dense and convenient. Rotate stock to avoid expiration. 3. Dehydrated and freeze-dried foods. These foods have most moisture removed, extending shelf life. They include fruits, vegetables, and prepared meals, maintaining nutrients and flavor. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds offer concentrated energy, healthy fats, and protein. They are compact and easy to store. 5. Shelf-stable dairy alternatives. Powdered milk, evaporated milk, and plant-based milk provide calcium and protein without refrigeration. Ideal for families or long-term storage. 6. Honey and natural sweeteners. Honey, maple syrup, and molasses last indefinitely if stored properly. They provide energy and can help preserve other foods. 7. Hard cheeses. Parmesan and aged Gouda can last weeks without refrigeration. They are rich in protein and fats and easy to incorporate into meals. Stocking the best survival foods to store without refrigeration ensures preparedness and peace of mind. Focus on long-lasting, nutrient-dense options, store them in a cool, dry place, and rotate supplies regularly for maximum shelf life and nutrition. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.